In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. If creating high-quality video, B-roll, or motion graphics has felt like a never-ending battle with clunky software and pricey stock libraries, this is your shortcut. Thanks to native Sora integration inside ChatGPT, you can generate cinematic, physics-aware video without juggling extra tools. I'll walk you through setting up a clean workspace, switching on the video model, crafting a production grade prompt, anchoring with image references, fine tuning format settings, and exporting a ready to use file. First, create a focused production space so your aesthetic rules stay consistent. Open your left sidebar, go to Projects, and choose Create New Project. Give it a clear, searchable title that describes the campaign like 2026 Sci Fi Commercial Assets. This isolates your clips from unrelated chats, keeps media versions tidy, and helps you revisit styles and parameters later without digging through mixed threads. Next, enable Sora so the system knows you're generating motion, not text. Click into the prompt box, open the model selector at the top, and choose Sora Video Generation. If you prefer shortcuts, type a / and pick the /video command. You'll see a media placeholder appear in the conversation area. That's your signal the rendering engine is armed and ready. Now craft a physics-aware cinematic prompt. Skip vague one-liners and specify camera, lighting, and environment so Sora can honor real-world consistency. For example, cinematic style, photorealistic 35mm film. Subject, a sleek modern sport motorcycle racing down a neon-lit highway in a rain-slicked city at night. Camera movement, low-angle tracking shot sweeping smoothly from the rear wheel to a side profile view. Lighting, vibrant reflections of cyan and magenta neon signs bouncing off the wet asphalt. Constraints, maintain perfect spatial consistency and fluid material physics throughout the entire clip. Keep the language direct and unambiguous so the scene stays locked to your intent. If you need exact visual continuity, say a character design, logo, or layout, add an image reference. Click the paperclip or upload asset icon and attach a high-quality PNG or photo. After the thumbnail appears, write your instruction beneath it. Use this uploaded image file as our exact visual anchor block. Maintain the character's facial structure and clothing parameters perfectly and animate them turning smoothly toward the camera to deliver a confident smile. This binds animation to your source look. When the render finishes, use the embedded player to review. Tap the video settings gear to switch formats, 16, 9 for YouTube, 9:16 for mobile vertical, or 1 for square feeds. Confirm motion cadence and clarity, then hit export or download to save a high-definition master to your asset folder. Handing scene logic and multi-format output to Sora inside ChatGPT removes bottlenecks and frees you to focus on story and polish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.